children, welcome back to another session of mathematics. So children, in the previous 4 classes, we have learned about all the 4 fundamental operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, children. So using this 4 fundamental operation, we can solve all of whatever the day-to-day life activities as also scientific measurements also, children. Today let me tell you a story about one wholesale seller. So Kiran's father is a wholesale seller, children. Now he sells pens. On Monday he sold 5,123 pens. On Tuesday he sold 6,349 pens. And on Wednesday he sold 3,490, less comparing to the previous 2 days. Now see children, here he is selling some pens. On Monday some pens, Tuesday some pens, Wednesday some pens. How many pens did he sell in all these 3 days? If we want to know, what do we do, children? We have to add the number of pens that is sold on Monday plus Tuesday plus Wednesday, children. Now we are adding the selling of pens here, children. Now see children, actually this is not a direct question, children. Here I told a story about Kiran's father, a wholesaler. Now basing from that story, means whatever he is doing, he is selling the pens. From that concept, we are relating to the mathematics, children. So whatever is happening in the real life, so whatever the story, we are connecting to the mathematics, children, here. So whatever the stories we connect to the mathematics, we say them as number stories, children, because the story is linked with the numbers, right? Today let us discuss about number stories. Whatever the Kiran's father sold the pens, we have arranged in this way, children. See, as he sold number of pens on Monday 5,123, Tuesday 6,349, Wednesday 3,490, children. So we have to arrange the given number of pens in the form of what, children? Columns. Ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column. Then only you will get correct answer, children. Now as we discussed just now, to know the number of pens, total number of pens sold in these 3 days, we have to do addition. The symbol of addition is plus mark, children. So let us start adding from the ones column here. Now if we start from the ones column, children, 3 plus 9, it is 12. 12 plus 0, 0 property of addition. Any number plus 0 is number itself. So 12, children. 12 means 12 ones, children. 12 ones, in other way, how can we write, children? 10 ones and 2 ones. So 10 ones equal to 110, children, and 2 ones we write in the ones column. So that 110, whatever the 110, we regroup to the tens place, children. Okay. Now add 2 plus 4, it is 6. 6 plus 9, it is 15. 15 tens we have, children, and also we regrouped 110 from the ones place. See, so 15 plus 1, that is 16, children. 16 tens. 16 tens, how do we write? 6 tens plus 10 tens. Now let us write first 6 tens here. Now what about 10 tens, children? 10 tens equal to 100. So that 100 let us place in the hundreds column. Okay, children. Now start adding. 1 plus 3, it is 4. Now 4 plus 4, it is 8. Is it completed, children? No. We regrouped 100 here. So 8 plus 1, it is 9, children. And there is no regrouping here. And see, children, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. As there are no 10,000 places, that 14 we have to write here, children. So 14. Now let us insert commas according to the Indian place value system. Ones, tens, hundreds, and keep a comma. Thousands, 10,000s. So we got answer as 14,962. So Kiran's father sold 14,962 total pens in these 3 days, children. So this is how we connect a real life problem. Whatever the concept related to the mathematics, we connect in this way, children. Now basing on our operation, fundamental operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, let us connect some real life and let us solve the problems which are given in the practice time, children. Practice time 2.2, and there is a problem. Sum of two numbers is 80,000 and one of them is 35,735. Find the other number. So 80,000 is the sum of the two numbers. That means, see, Add and 1 is 35,735. What is add and 2, children? Add and 2. How can you find add and 2? So this is like what, children? Missing addend. Missing addend, how do you find, children? We have to do subtraction. So if we go for addition, addend 1 plus addend 2 equal to sum or total, children. When one of the addend is missed, then what we have to do, children? Sum minus addend 1 or 2 gives us another addend, children. This is nothing but what, children? It's a subtraction. So let us arrange the given numbers and form the solution. I have arranged the given numbers in this format. So this is nothing but what, children? Subtraction. The symbol of subtraction is minus. So our total is 80,000, children. From that, if you minus one of the number, you will get another number, children. So let us start subtracting from the ones column. So from ones column, so here 0 minus 5, children. Can we take out 5 from 0, children? It's not possible. So what do we, children? We regroup from the previous column, that is tens place. In the tens column we have 0. Then we have to go for the hundreds column. Here also 0. Then thousands. Here also 0. Then 10,000s, children. So we have to regroup 10,000s place to ones place, children. We have to convert in this way, children. First, from 8 to 10,000s, we are regrouping one 10,000 to the thousands place. That means how many 10,000s will be there, children? There will be 7 10,000s. So I am writing 7 here. Okay, children. Now here 1 10,000 we are regrouping here. 1 10,000 equal to how many thousands, children? 1 10,000 equal to 10 1,000s. So 10, children, here. But what we have to do, children? We have to regroup to the ones place here. So we have to decrease one of the 1,000. 1,000 if you decrease, here you will have 9,000s. Now 1,000 we are regrouping to the hundreds column. 1,000 equal to how many hundreds? 1,000 equal to 10 hundreds. So here we have 10 hundreds, children. But see here, we have to regroup one of the 100 to the next place. Then you will have only 900s. Okay, children. And 100 we are regrouping to the tens column. 100 equal to how many tens? 100 equal to 10 tens. So I am writing here 10 tens. Now out of this 10 tens, we have to regroup one of the 10 to the ones place. When we regroup 110, we will have 9 tens here again. Now finally 110 we are regrouping to the ones place. 110 equal to how many ones, children? 110 equal to 10 ones. So 10 finally here, children. Okay, children. Now as we having 0 here, let us cut this. Now let us take only these places. Now start subtracting. Now what we have, children, here? 10. 10 minus 5, it is 5. Then what is the digit we have in the tens column, children? It is 0 or 9? It is 9, children. So 9 minus 3, it is 6. Then 9 minus 7, children. 9 minus 7, 2. As we completed ones period, we have to insert a comma. Then 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, 4. The last in the 10,000s place, 7 10,000s are there. Minus 3 10,000s. That means 7 minus 3, it is 4. So 4 10,000s. So this is our another number, children. 44,265. The other number is 44,265. So whenever we are doing number stories, children, there should be compulsory conclusion. So the second number is 44,265. So this is how we end, children. Let us go for another problem. So here let us discuss about one more problem, children. There is a factory. The factory produced 58,249 air conditioner in the first year, children. In the second year, it produced 92,142 air conditioner, children. And in the third year, it produced 1,149 more than which is produced in the second year. And here is the question: calculate the production of the third year. Means we have to calculate how many air conditioners are produced in the third year, children. And in that B question, find the total production in the 3 years, children. So they have given here first year production, they have given second year production, third year production they have linked with the second year production. 1149 air conditioner extra, means more were produced than the second year. First we have to complete what, children? We have to find out how many number of air conditioner were produced in the third year, children. So let us start doing problem. In order to find out the third year production, we have to add second year production plus number of ACs, means air conditioner produced more than of second year, we have to add, children. Let us start adding from the ones column. 9 plus 2, children, or 2 plus 9, it is 11. 11 ones, how can we write? 1 here and 10 ones. 10 ones equal to 110. 110 we regroup to the tens place. Now 4 plus 4, it is 8, children. 8 plus 1, 9. And here 1 plus 1 in the 100 column, that is 2, children. Once period completed, insert comma. 2 plus 1, it is 3. And in the add and 2 we do not have any 10,000s place, only in the add and 1 we have 10,000s place, directly write 9 here. So third year production, so in the third year the ACs produced were 93,291, children. So now what we have to do, children? To find out the total production in the 3 years, we have to add production of year 1, production of year 2, production of year 3. When we add all the 3 productions of this air conditioner, we will get the total ACs production, means total air conditioner produced in the 3 years, children. So let us add here. I have arranged the production of air conditioner in the 3 years in this way, children. This will be our addend 1, this is our addend 2, this is our addend 3. When we add all the addends, we will get the final answer. The result of addition is called sum or total. Now let us start adding from the ones column, children. In the ones column, see here, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 12 ones, children. 12 ones, how can you write? 2 ones plus 10 ones. So 2 ones I am writing here. 10 ones equal to 110. Regroup to the tens place. Next, 4 plus 4, it is 8. 8 plus 9, children. 8 plus 9, it is 17. So 17 tens. Is it finished, children? No, we have regrouped 110 here. So 17 plus 1, 18 tens. 18 tens, how do you write, children? 8 tens plus 10 tens. 8 tens I am writing here. Whatever the 10 tens, you have to regroup in the form of hundreds. 10 tens equal to 100. So 100 regroup to the tens column. Now start adding here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, regrouped 1. 6. So 6. Now we completed one period. So insert comma. Next, 8 plus 2, 10, children. 10 plus 3, 13. What is the place, children? Thousands. So 13 thousands. How can you write, children? 10 thousands plus 3 thousands. 3 thousands I am writing here. Now what about 10 thousands, children? So 10 thousands equal to how many 10 thousands? 10 thousands equal to how many 10 thousands? It is 110,000. So I am regrouping to the 10,000s place. Now 5 plus 9, it is 14, children. 14 plus 9, come on, think, it is 23. 23 plus 1, 24. So I am writing 24 here. If you want, insert commas. Thousands, 10,000s place. Okay, children. Now see, so total production like this, children. Total production in the 3 years, it will be 2,43,682. So 2,43,682 air conditioner were produced in these 3 years, children. So this is our conclusion. Let us look at for one more problem. Here is one more question. Mukundan buys 15 apples of each rupees 25 and 12 orange each costing rupees 10, children. Now, how much does he have to pay to the shopkeeper? And when he gives a rupees 500 note to the shopkeeper, how much will he get back from the shopkeeper? So this is our question, children. So here are some combinations, children. First he bought apples. How many apples, children? 15 apples. each costing 25 rupees children. Second, he brought one more fruit. What is that fruit children? Oranges. How many oranges? 12 oranges, each costing 10 rupees children. When we get cost of oranges and cost of apples, we have to add both of the cost children. See, when you add both cost, we will get how much he has to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay children, let us start doing the problem. I have arranged the cost of apples and cost of orange in this way children. When we want to find out the cost of apples, so one apple cost is 25 rupees children. So 15 apples cost 15 into 25. When you do multiplication like this here, we will get the answer children. See, 25 into 15 or else 15 into 25. You can try in both ways children, because we have learned commutative property. Even though you change the order, answer doesn't change. So 5 5s 25 children. 25 means 2 regrouping and 5 in the ones place. 5 2s 10. 10 plus already regrouped 2 children. So 10 plus 2, it is 12. Now we have to multiply the multiplicand with the tens place children. So when you are multiplying with the tens place, the ones place will become always 0, because all the multiples of tens place, it will be 0 children. So 0. 1 5s 5, 1 2s 2. When you add these two children, you will get answer as 5 plus 0 5. 5 plus 2 7. 2 plus 1 3. So 375 rupees is the cost of apples children. So our cost of apples is 375 rupees. 375 children. So rupees 375. Now cost of oranges children. One orange cost is 10 rupees. So cost of 1 orange equal to 10 rupees. Cost of 12 oranges equal to 12 into 10. 12 tens, 12 table children. 12 tens, 120. So rupees 120. Now we have to add these two children. Add means what children? Plus symbol. Starting from the ones place. 5 plus 0 5. 0 property of addition. 7 plus 2 9. Now 3 plus 1 4. So he has to pay rupees 495 to the shopkeeper children. That is the case, okay. But see in the question what it is given. This Mukundan gave rupees 500 rupees note to the shopkeeper. How much does the shopkeeper will return to the Mukundan children? He gave 500 rupees note. He has to pay only 495. Remaining money, remaining how much means what is, see whatever the word I am uttering, remaining. So what we have to do children? Subtraction. We have to do subtraction from 500. So total cost we have to subtract from the money which is given 500. When you subtract, you will get the leftover money which should be returned to the Mukundan by the shopkeeper. So let us do here children. So children, see here, Mukundan gave rupees 500 note. So that is a bigger number. So that will be our minuend children. So total cost, after adding the cost of apples and orange, we got 495. So from the bigger number we are subtracting the smaller number. The smaller number is subtrahend children. So after subtracting we will get an answer, that is our difference children. So that difference will be the amount which has to be given from the shopkeeper to the Mukundan children. So let us start subtracting. So as this is ones place, tens place, 100 place. So let us start subtracting from the ones column children. 0 minus 5, is it possible children? It's not possible. Whenever it is not possible, we have to regroup from the previous place or previous column, tens column. In tens column we have 0 as in the minuend. From here can we take children? No. So we have to regroup from the hundreds place. 5 hundreds are there. First we have to regroup to the tens column. 100 we are regrouping, so that 4 hundreds will be here. And 100 equal to how many tens children? 10 tens. So 10 tens. But from the 10 tens, we are regrouping 110 to the ones column. And how many tens will be left over? Only 9 tens will be left over children. Okay children. Now 110 we are regrouping to the ones place. 110 equal to 10 ones. So 10 ones. Now cut this. Okay children. Now 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. It is 5. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. 4 minus 4. It is 0 rupees. So we got answer as how much children? 5 rupees. So the shopkeeper has to return 5 rupees to Mukundan. This is our conclusion children. Let us go for another problem. So one more question children. There are 15,525 saplings planted in a field. If 25 saplings are planted in one row, then how many rows of saplings are there in the field? So children, here if you see here, these 15,525 saplings were divided equally in some rows children. How many rows we don't know. How do we know? When we divide children. See, you are dividing equally here. 25 saplings should be planted in one row. So out of this total we are distributing 25 saplings in one row. Each row 25, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25. So we have to repeatedly subtract children here. When we repeatedly subtract, what we get? Repeated subtraction is nothing but division. So let us directly divide 15,525 divided by 25 children. The total number of saplings planted in the field, 15,525 children. Now in one row, number of saplings planted, how many children? 25. So 25 we are separating in that way. So how do we find total number of rows children? When we divide total saplings in the field by number of saplings in one row. So here in this way we have to divide children. So let us start dividing. So 25 is our divisor children. We have to take first two digits children. First two digits 15, which is less than the divisor. So what we have to take children? We have to take 3 digits. So 155, that becomes 155. Now in 25 table, once recite the 25 table children. 25 ones 25, 25 twos 50, 25 threes 75, 25 fours 100, 25 fives 125, 25 six 150. So 150 is near to 155. If we multiply 25 sevens, it becomes 175 children. So let us take 25 6 150 minus 5 minus 0 5, 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. Now we have to bring down the 2. Okay children, 52. Let us recite 25 table. 25 ones 25, 25 twos 50. 50 is very near to 52. So 25 twos 50 children. Let us take minus 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 5 0. Okay children. Now last we have to bring whatever the 5 down. 25 is here. Now see children here 25. See directly 25 ones 25. 25 ones 25. Now if you observe here 5 minus 5 0. 2 minus 2 0. So what is our remainder children? 0 is our remainder. 0 is our remainder, and our answer is this children, 621. So what will be our number of rows children? 621 rows are there in the field. So in each row 25 saplings were planted. So this is how we do the division children. That is nothing but equal distribution or repeated subtraction. Today we have connected the concept of real life to the fundamental operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisions. So we connected all these fundamental operations to the real life problems. So hope you understand. Practice again well this concept children. Let us meet with a new concept in the next class children. Have a great day.